You want to easily modify the exhaust in your BMW G80? Now, if you have a stock exhaust in your BMW, one of the things that really inhibits that more aggressive sound is your secondary cats. Well, maybe you don't want to change out your entire mid-pipe, or you want to avoid that kind of higher cost of changing out the entire thing. Well, Masters of Design has a great solution. These are essentially short mid-pipes. It's going to make your car sound more aggressive, a little bit louder. Your burbles are going to be a little bit louder. It's a really good way to step into making exhaust changes on your car, and you don't want to fully commit to a really big change. So this is a great way to do it. We will be cutting the exhaust today in 2 places, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's slide underneath and I'll show you where you cut. All right, y'all, so here's a quick example. So this is actually the exhaust out of my M2, and I can use this as a close visual example so you can see a little bit better of what we're talking about. So when you measure off the weld, you get that back part of the weld. Now this will be the driver's side when we're underneath. So you measure off that weld, and we're going to be 3 centimeters off that weld. So just come and mark a nice line. And we talked about using that hose clamp, right? So you put a hose clamp around here, and then you can draw a nice clean line. When you're over here on this side, and you measure, we've got to get past the hanger over here. So right off the edge of the weld, right here at 9 centimeters, and that'll put us in the middle right here. So our clamp will be in a nice even place when the clamp is on, okay? So mark at 9 centimeters, go ahead and put the hose clamp around it, and then mark evenly, and then you can cut. So jump underneath the car, and we're gonna cut next. We'll show you on both sides.